Hey guys, welcome to this new episode, the episode number 59, and today I'll be talking about what I've been doing in this week. So I've been working on the app. Basically, I just finished it last week, but I worked on the responsiveness this week. So right now it's responsive 100%. The only thing that I have to do is change the logo at the top, because when you have it on small screens like a phone screen, it doesn't look that good that you have the logo really big and you need space for the day selector and the hamburger menu, so it's all really crowded. So I have to make a smaller version of the logo and then I'll finish it. Honestly, this week I didn't have a lot of time. I worked more than what we work usually, This week was like a 50 something hours work week. And yeah, I had a lot of things to do, and it didn't give me the time that I needed to actually work. But a journey is not something that always goes in the same way, or you are always on highs. You sometimes have lows, and I just accept it. I try to do my best. But if there is some lows that you can't control, well, you don't have to get frustrated by it, because what's the point on getting upset for something that you can't control? There is no, it's nonsense. So just focus on whatever you can control, the time that you have on your belt, on your side that you can use it. And obviously you don't have to work on yourself all the time. You have to relax a little bit, because you can burn out basically. If you're going really hard and you don't take a break, just a few hours, or a day every once in a while, it's gonna just burn you out and you're gonna feel like you can't do it anymore. But I really enjoy doing this. I know it takes a lot of time. I don't do a lot of things because I have to, I'm committed to my journey, and yeah, that's what I do. So I have all the code on GitHub. If you want to go and see the app, it's going to be finished maybe after the video. Once the video is published, maybe one day after the video is published, I'll be finishing the app and basically just adding some comments, putting the code in a better format. I'm gonna rework a lot of code that I already wrote, because at first you just want to actually solve the problem, so then you can actually see what's the best way to do something. You already have the solution, but now you just rework your code and make it look better, and just basically make it easier to read and more understandable, or more compact, something that looks better. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna read the books that I said last week. I've been reading a lot. That's something that I've been doing because it's something that I can do, you know. It's not like it takes a lot of time. You can just actually take just half an hour and read in the morning and before bed. So it's not something that takes a lot of time. I'm okay with it, and I can read every day, so that's okay. I've been working out a lot. I mean, I want to run a marathon, 100-mile marathon, so I'm working on it. Last week I ran 10 miles. I haven't, like, before that I've never run that long, you know, so I ran 10 miles. And this week I couldn't run because I hurt my foot, my right foot, and actually it still hurts a bit, but I know that that pain that I have is because I ran a lot. And this week I actually went for a ride, you know, to ride my bike 13 miles. I was gonna do more, but you know, I wanted to actually do some things, and yeah, I had just like 1 hour, so I did 1 hour, and that was 13 miles. So next week I'm gonna run like 16 miles if I can. You know, I'm gonna do everything that I can to actually run 16 miles. And yeah, now I'm going to see what's the best way to actually advance faster and you know, make more progress, because you can actually always be more efficient. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now we're gonna work on JavaScript a lot of JavaScript, and then the frameworks, you know. So I think that's it for today. I don't have a lot of things to say because I didn't have that much time to work on my journey. So yeah, that's it for this week, and see you next week. Bye.